the next person in line will be the one that Tautua, that served through the family through all his life. And something interesting about that, because o le taime bestow wale title, that's when the blessings from the matai and the entire family and the whole communities and the church come and do this, because the blessing is always done by the minister through a local. And they do the cover ceremony and all those protocols. O le Tautua le mea lea. Now, I really want you to take this. The Tautua, the most important part about this bestowal is the giving of the blessing for the ones that will become the leader of the family. O le mau sa moa, o le tangata sa Tautua, when they become the leaders of the family, o le tangata e oa i mawhauwhaunga, o le tangata e le leo na manatu, tangata e lava lana tau whamala na whautanga le tāpena ino le ainga, ma le leo ino le ainga, ma ana mea tō tino, ma ana mea sina. O mea Tautua uma, aisea, o leo ua mai a ia whamanuianga le ainga. Wa mai a ia whamanuianga le matai, he's been bestowed the blessings of the communities. Mind you, our communities also had their saying in the selection of the matai. They're not going to say, oh, this is not so, or this is not so. No, they will only come and bestow their blessings because the entire family has to give them. O le Tautua le nā mo le tangata Tautua whamaoni, a wai whamanuia i aile nu, e whamanuia i aile kalesia, e whamanuia i aile atua.